Hey guys, Roon here from that lock picking video, and today I got another challenge lock for you. This one is Kipani from Mr. Paradise, and we can see we got it in his presentation box. This was sent to me by Techie Tiff Girl. Here is my information when I picked it open, but I haven't filmed it. I've only picked it on, open and closed off camera. And here is Techie Tiff's information. She did send me a letter. Very nice letter. I will definitely send you a CL, Techie Tiff, when you finish moving and send me your address. So he made his is like a present tube challenge lock where you open it up and you take the present out of here. I've already taken the present out of here and put my own in here, but when I get it open, I'll take this lock apart and show you what I put in here. I'm going to be sending this to Reed Witt. He's been bugging me for what's inside of here, so let's see if we can get it open today. Normally I use a hook 7. All my hook 7s are broken. And so we're going to be using top of the keyway with this gem profile. See if we get it open. This does have a double shear line. And for whatever reason, sometimes the second shear line gets hung up and then none of the pins will bind. So you have to like smack it around pretty heavily. But I think we should be able to get it open tonight. So making good progress right now. This first shear line is pretty, I don't say straightforward, but it's I don't have too much difficulty with it except for the very last pin. Sometimes the last pin likes to hide. And I'll show you that when we get there. Oops. Dropped our tension wrench. Let's start over. Not sure what's holding us up right now. There we go. So now we're in this deep false set, and there's one pin holding this up, and I can never remember which one it is, so you kind of have to locate it by just putting, I think it's this one. Oops, it slipped off a bit. Yes, it was. Awesome. So basically what I was doing was I was putting tension on, or very little tension, and lifting it up to try to feel the counter rotation. It gave like very minuscule counter rotation, just enough to locate it, and then I had to provide manual counter rotation, and then set it, and then put it, and then push on the tension wrench to get to the second shear line. Now this one is a little bit trickier of shear line. And like I was saying earlier, I don't know why, but sometimes like the pins will stop binding and I have to like physically smack it like really hard. Cause for that, I don't know, but hopefully we won't run into that issue here if we go slow. Yeah, of course we did. I say that and we do. I know for a fact pin 2 binds first. That's how I can tell if it's caught up or not. I'm really interested to see when I get this open, take this apart. I haven't taken this apart yet, so I don't know what don't know what is causing that issue. But I can tell you my hand is getting sore from smacking it on my hand. Well, this thing is not wanting to cooperate. I usually get like one good attempt and then it locks up for some reason. I'm going to cut the video here and maybe make a part 2 where we pick this shear line. All right, we are back. I have smacked it around quite a fair amount. Let's see if this thing wants to cooperate now. Yes, it does. Awesome. Sorry about the technical difficulties. This is like the only challenge lock I've ever had this issue with. Locked up again. Alright, well, I'll show you guys what I've been having to do. I know it's not the most entertaining thing, but we will get to the root cause of this hopefully as soon as I get this open. I wonder if there's threading the pins getting caught up on. There we go. Okay. There we go, we got it. I apologize, guys, for the crazy video. I forgot to grab it. Now I'll wrench it in a second. Again, new recording setup. And channel's lock doesn't want to cooperate, but we were able to get the open. I may just stitch all this video together into one video. So I got these Allen wrench stuff here. Drop the lock out. There's our key. I'm going to lock this up so we can see that the key works. I'm going to have to pick this again anyways later. Or maybe the key doesn't work. I swear the key worked when I did it last time. There must be something with this second shear line. There we go. See, yeah, so it's working. There's something with that second shear link because now the key works. So it's not me. Just so you guys know, it's not me being crazy. That there's something going on with that second shear line because now it works perfectly fine. Anyways, let's take this key out. So you guys, I wanted to show you guys what I put in the tube. So this is some fire opal that will be going to Reed Witt at some point when I can send this out to him. And I want to see what's inside this freaking lock because it's been giving me so much headache. Okay, we need to take Phillips. What's that? Oh, these are star bit ones. What the heck? I don't own any star bit screws. I don't believe. Will this work? Will work. Improvising. My hand is sore from banging on that thing, I'm not gonna lie. Okay. So we want this thing here. This is going to be a very interesting gut because of that dual shear line. So we will do, red will be groove and the other one will be standard. So we got threading in chamber 1, 3, 5, and 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. No, 1, 3, 5, and 7. Sorry. And we got some. Where'd my other there? Standard on 1. Got some serrated tops on the rest of these though. Very nice pin work, Mr. Paradise. And now we do the interesting game. So we said this shear line was going to be this. So we got a half spring in one. And we got a serrated bottom. And then pin 2. Oh, don't want to lose that. Got a regular spring, and we got like a serrated top reversed kind of pin. Oops, I'm making a mess over here. Come on. Come on. There we go. Got a mangled spring on 3. Half spring. It's gonna be kind of a longer gut, guys. I'm sorry, longer video. So this is a more complicated challenge lock. Alright, and the last one for the main shear line. Alrighty. Very awesome pins, and this is the one I'm actually interested in here. So this will go here. This can go up here. So this is right here. Got a very strong spring on 1. Pin 2. I don't even know what type of pin 2 is. I've never seen anything like this before. But I feel like that's what was causing our issue. Because it's like a weird spool that's catching on the, well, no. Huh. Maybe the spring isn't strong enough to push it down or something. Got another weird looking pin on 4. Interesting that nothing is populated in that chamber. Ooh, we got a trampoline pin in 6. That's it. What mods have been done to this? That is a question. So we got on the main Bible, which we're calling this one as the main Bible, we have threading on 1, nothing on 2, nothing on 3, threading on 4, nothing on 5, threading on 7, nothing on 6. Interesting that it's 7 pins for the main Bible and only 6 pins for the secondary Bible. For the secondary Bible, we have threading on 1, nothing on 2, nothing on 3, threading on 4, nothing on 5, nothing on 6. Very interesting and bizarre challenge lock, I'm not gonna lie. So let's go get this out here. This is gonna be a pain to put back together and pick close because they want the key inside the tube. And I'm gonna have to edit all this video together, but it is what it is. So this is what we got. So this is the secondary Bible. These are the pin work of the secondary Bible. Got some small trampoline pins. There's the key. There's this crazy looking lock here. Here is the main Bible. These are the pin works for the main Bible. And this is the core and its mods. And maybe you can see, let me try. There we go. I don't know if you guys can see all the work that's been done in there for that. I like the serrated and not. Let me see a little bit right there. But that is the Kipani challenge lock. Very fun. Unfortunately, like I said, I had to bang it to get it open, but open isn't open. I'll put this to get back together and I'll send this to Reed. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, and I hope you guys have a wonderful day. Thanks. Bye.